morning, it's Library Sue, and we're here again with another segment of Maker Moment. This morning, we're going to be making a recycled t-shirt tote bag. And who doesn't need a tote bag? You can throw your library books in here, you can throw your towel and your bathing suit in here. Actually, this wasn't a t-shirt, this was an old bathing suit cover-up. And we did this last year at the library and the kids loved it. So I thought it bared repeating. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna turn our t-shirt inside out. Okay, and the first step is to cut off the arms. So I'll just get my scissors and cut off the arms. The sleeves, just a bit there. Okay, so you see you've got your handles. Now the next step is to figure out how long you want your bag to be, how deep you want it to be. So this looks about right. So I'm going to draw a line across. So I know where to cut. Like that. So you know we're almost straight, so you see you know where to cut. And next we're going to get our scissors and we're going to cut strips. Almost to the top of the line. So now you'll be going through your drawers to find a really cool t-shirt. That's what everybody was doing last summer, and I've seen some really cool tote bags that came from t-shirts. All right, so now you've got all these little strips. So now what are we going to do? We're going to tie the strips together. So no sew. You guys probably sew. That's something I'm going to learn to do when I retire. I've taken a couple of sewing lessons, but I'm not very good at it. I have a friend who's going to teach me. But sometimes the no-sew projects are kind of fun. Okay, so you're going to go all the way across and do all the strips like that. And when you turn, then when you're finished, you turn it inside out. See, mine's not done, and it looks just like this. So send me a note if you have any questions about that. But basically what you have to keep doing is to continue tying all the strips right across, and you will have your own tote bag. Turn it back right side out and show me what you come up with. I'd love to see. We'll see everybody next time on Maker Moment.